Article pen botanga udui gen ki right honorable secretary general to duong kitwa inero kere de moro ada ka nget mo por primary ni kit ma chiek mi NRM party wajo kere are you sure ni nget mo por kuini obi biru kuini la wora in wala di sure ni nget mo bi por kuini bi ye biru kuini la wora you are you sure ni dano bi ye NRM party ige primary jobu kere to be quitting over jobu kere be amere agi ma pigi so honorable right secretary general to do please check pa NRM party kapo tightening to tie do week over especially northern Uganda kid magete nere kere diri kaje jibine pu berba yor so diri de an mera get ma yobu ye the party machalo party gi pero ena yedo mielo ako ngeo ni party machalo NRM gi pero but the people who are in the party are the problem. NRM party gi pero are people in NRM party gitu pero last time I requested ni all these party members kongu beri a cadre training we kon yang ni NRM socio economic transformation tikenyu kinganga gini tikenyu we dar ko nyang the four main agenda of NRM, the roles of NRM. But after Berata, and one team in mama, Biana didn't tell part table man. They don't know anything. So, what Wakuru get a diri? Blow because the chain, blow because the pig news, don't diri my by dirija pari okay the news kona nga collapsing kona nga was taken to hospital kona nga was robbed kona nga ai ki kwalo kui now ki ngongo gere payot ba waja an get a lot of my can to ko result dire nek nen nga ma nga boy